Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to show you one of SellerPic's most powerful features, the virtual try-on function for apparel. Before we start, it's important to understand that there are two modes available, minimal mode and batch mode. Let me explain how each mode works. Minimal mode is perfect when you want to focus on a single pose. Upload your garment, choose a preset model pose from the right panel, or upload your own, and the AI will generate 4 variations of the same pose wearing your clothing. You can then select the best result that matches your vision. Batch mode is ideal for creating a complete set of photos. You can select up to 4 different poses at once, choose a model face and background, and the AI will generate a cohesive set of images showing the same model in different poses against the same background. Now, let's talk about uploading your garments. The system offers 2 upload modes. Separate garment. Use this when you want to upload just tops or bottoms individually. One-piece garment. Perfect for dresses, jumpsuits, or complete outfits. Here's a pro tip that will help you get the best results. When using preset models from the right panel, try to match your garment type with the model's clothing. For example, if you're uploading a long-sleeve sweater, choose a model wearing long sleeves. This matching approach significantly improves the final output quality. Let me demonstrate both modes. First, I'll use minimal mode to showcase a sweater. After uploading the garment, I'll select a preset model wearing similar long-sleeve clothing. Watch how the AI generates 4 variations of the same pose, allowing us to pick the most natural-looking result. Now let's try batch mode with a different outfit. I'll select 4 distinct poses, choose a model face, and set an urban background. The AI will create a complete set of professional-looking photos showing our outfit from different angles, all maintaining consistent lighting and atmosphere. Remember, whether you're using minimal mode for perfect single poses or batch mode for complete sets, matching your garment type with the preset model's clothing will give you the best results. If you're looking to transform your product photography and provide customers with a better shopping experience, SellerPic's virtual try-on feature is an absolute game changer. It helps customers visualize your clothing on real people, creating confidence in their purchase decisions that flat product photos simply can't achieve. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing e-commerce tools and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.